Now let us look into the explanation of this program. We are getting two inputs from the user. One is main string and the other is the substring. So I'm calling my function from the main, right? So the control of the program goes to my function. We are finding the length of both main string as well as our substring, which is length 1 and length 2. Let us first index our main string. So our length here is 15, right? So L1 is 15, length 2 is 4. So we are having an iteration here. I value starts from 0 to length of my first substring, that is it goes till 14. So during first iteration we have a slicing operation done here. So this is the main part of the program. My str of 1 to my str of I from So this is the main part of our program. The slicing operation starts from ith index to I plus len 1. We are checking if this sliced part of our main string is equal to our substring, that is ABCD. So during the iteration, initially my I will be 0, right? So my str of 0 to 0 plus length 1 is, here we have length 2, right? So my str of 0 to 0 plus length 2 is nothing but 4. So let's see what is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is ABCD. We are checking if that is equal to ABCD. Condition is true, right? So count will be incremented to 1. This is the first iteration of my for loop. This continues till the length goes to 14. The I value goes to 14. So next my I value will be equal to 1. So what will be my str, guys? 1 to 5, right? B, C, D, E, which is not equal to A, B, C, D. So count will remain 1. When I equals to, my str will be 2 to 6, which is equal to C, D, E and F, which is not equal to A, B, C, D. Count remains 1. When I equals 3, my str is 3 to 7, which equals D, E, F, G, which is not equal to A, B, C, D, right? Count remains 1. When I is 4, my str is 4 to 8. The elements in the index is 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So E, F, G and A, which is not equal to A, B, C, D again. Count remains 1. When I equals 5, my str is 5 to 9. F, G, A, B, not equal to A, B, C, D again. Count remains 1. When I becomes 6, my str is 6 to 10, which is G, A, B, C, which is again not equal to A, B, C, D. C remains 1. When I becomes 7, which is 7 to 11. What are elements in 7, 8, 9 and 10? 7, 8, 9 and 10 is A, B, C, D, right? Which is equal to my substring A, B, C, D. Here the count is incremented to 2. Whenever this if condition becomes true, I am incrementing the count. So count is incremented to 2 now. When I becomes 8, my str is 8 to 12, What is 8, 9, 10 and 11? 8, 9, 10 and 11 is BCDA, which is not equal to ABCD. Count remains 2. I equals 9, which is 9 to 13. CDAB, which is not equal to ABCD. And then I becomes 10, which is 10 to 14, which is DABC, right? 10, 11, 12 and 13. 10, 11, 12 and 13 is DABC. It's not equal to ABCD again. Count remains 2. When I becomes 11, my STR is 11 to 15. What is 11, 12, 13 and 14? 11, 12, 13 and 14 is again ABCD. Now it becomes equal to my substring ABCD. Count becomes 3. Will the execution stop here, guys? No. Right? The execution goes till our length is equal to L1, which is 15. So now I gets incremented as usual to 12. I equals 12. Now we have a problem here. It is 12 from 16, right? That are elements 12, 13, 14 and 15. But do we have 15th element in our string? We don't have, right? So whenever normally you are trying to access an element in 15th position, it throws out of bound exception. Means that I don't have any element in my specified index. But whenever we are doing slicing operation, you don't have an element in that index position, means it won't return an exception or error, guys. It will just return an empty string. So when it is 12 to 16 means it will return the elements in 12, 13 and 14th element. What is the elements in 12, 13 and 14? Which is BCD, which is obviously not equal to ABCD, right? So C will remain 3. The same happens when I equals 13. 13 to 17, which is CD alone, right? Because it is 13, 14 alone. We don't have 15 and 16th element, which is CD, not equal to ABCD. C remains 3. When I becomes 14, my STR will be 14 to 18. We have only 14th element, right? So it will be D alone, which is not equal to ABCD. So what is my count of C at last is 3. So when we are printing the count here, 3 will be printed.